What's up guys, Speedsters here. Today I got some Duratrax lockups for my Rustler. So as you can see, there is a lot of bald on that, on both sides. They're getting really smoothed out, so I got some new tires. Duratrax lockup. I'm gonna see how they do in some dirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off and show you the differences. So they're off, and there they are right beside each other. Yeah, this one's a little bit wider, just a little bit, and a little bit taller. They're a little bigger than the other ones, and I think this is good silver, because I don't think black and silver would look good like on the same car. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on now. Alright, so there it is on the car. I think that looks really good. I'm so excited to drive these, or drive this on the car actually. Yeah, it looks really nice. It fit perfectly actually. It just felt like putting on the normal tire. Wasn't that hard. But yeah, we're gonna try and go to a trail or someplace and try them out on the dirt. Okay, so we have this whole field to drive it on. See how it's doing on grass. And then maybe we'll take it to a trail and take it off some jumps. See what these tires can do. I'm excited. Oh yeah, that's a lot of grip. Much more than I need. Yeah, a lot different. It's a lot better than...
Good grip.
Okay, it looks like there's some mud in it.
There's definitely mud.
Doesn't have as much grip in this one here. Okay, so this is the tires now with all the mud on it. This place is pretty cool.
How much for tires?
Yeah, these tires were about $30 for me. But yeah, we're gonna see if we could take some jumps with them.
We're on the bike, mountain bike trail.
Yeah, so there's some jumps and stuff over here. So you're supposed to come on this.
Oh!
And what's my car? That was
Do it again. Oh.
the good jump is back here. I am having a little bit of a hard time getting grip with all the pine straw, but I think that happened with like any tires. They're just pine straw. So that just dripped really good. Oh wow, look at this. Well, that was a fail. How did it take a jump?
Whoa!
Well. Yay! I did on it! Oh my God!
Oh.
Oh, fail.
Oh.
Okay guys, this is a cool big jump right here.
Big jump, big jump.
Okay. I've been going slow because every time I get faster, it sends off. So this jump like curves, and you come off of this, and you're supposed to like land over here, the opposite way. Like you jump over, and then you lean this way. I don't think that's gonna be possible with an RC, because this trail is mostly for bikes. But I need to try it. And yeah, I expected that to happen. Okay. Okay. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, that was graceful. Nice.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, Gabe, with the stereo toys coming through. Okay, so we're back on the pavement, and we're just gonna try it on the pavement. This is like my first time driving it in our front yard. Like once I got the tires, I just took it to that place and we're driving it. But yeah, I'm gonna try it in the road in our yard and stuff. See how good it is. Because over here, I was always able to do donuts. I'm barely able to get a drift. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get in the road. Well, yeah, it did drift because I hit the brakes. So that was cool. It's still a lot more grip than the other ones. And before, I was having a hard time getting wheelies. But now it's a lot easier because they're all the grip. But yeah, that's how it does on the road. So these tires have been pretty good. They're mostly good on all terrain, and that is what I do all the time. I'm on all terrain. I do grass and road and sometimes track. I want to start doing track soon. But yeah, I recommend them so far. And also, we are super close to 100 subscribers right now. So make sure you subscribe right now. We're so close. We are actually getting the Slash pretty soon. So stay tuned to see the Slash on the channel. And we're also going to take it to the track for the first time, all of our RC cars. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Hee hee! Hoo-ha! Speedsters out!